morning. Today we're going to give you some user orientation on the new 1400 series from Avaya, specifically the 1416 and the 1408. So first off, right off the bat, we're going to make a test call. Okay, so we're going to, from our 201 phone, we'll call 202. Our 202 phone lights up. All we really need to do is pick up the phone and say hello. Now you notice when we called initially, we didn't even put it on speaker, we didn't pick up the handset. This time we'll pick up the handset and dial 202. Alternatively, we can put it on speaker, 202, and it does the same thing. With this system there are no line 1, line 2, line 3, etc. keys, but we have our A, B, C appearance keys, and sometimes more for operators. What that means is you can juggle up to 3 calls at any given time. So, for example, if we were to call on our first A button, we'll call 202. 202 picks up, Bill will pick up, and now we're going to put Bill on hold. And the way we do that, we can place him on auto hold by pressing B. It automatically lets the green light flash, and now we can call a second number. In this instance, we're going to call our break room. The break room picks up, and then we're going to put them on hold by going to make another call to number C. And that's going to be 203. We're going to call John Adams. Now we're talking to John Adams. You notice the lights are steady for the person we're talking to, John Adams. We can put this call on hold and go to the others by simply pressing the other button. And now we're talking to the break room people, and the other 2 are automatically on hold. Also, we can go between all 3 people we're currently involved with or talking to by hitting their corresponding button in the order that the calls were received. If you wish to hang up with anybody, it's pretty easy to just hit the drop button and then go back to one of the other callers. You can put them on hold by using the hold button, of course, and then their light flashes and you're ready to make another call, or simply go back to them and hit the drop button to clear that and then go back to your original caller. It's that simple. To hang up, we can press drop again, or if we're talking on the handset, all we really have to do is hang up and they'll go away. Let's say conversely that a call came in from the break room and we wanted to talk to them on speaker. We press the speaker button and now we're on a speakerphone conversation with the break room. If we wanted to hang up with them, just like before, we could hit the drop key or we could hit the speaker key to hang up, and that hangs up as well. We will now go over the volume control for various aspects of your phone system. Without touching any of the other buttons, by adjusting your volume control, that will adjust the ringer volume, such as that. To adjust the speaker volume, first press speaker, then use the up-down arrow key to adjust the speaker volume. To adjust the handset volume, pick up the handset while you're on a call and adjust the handset button. You'll notice in the display, as you're in the various modes, you'll see an icon that represents which volume you were adjusting. In that instance, it was the handset. In this instance, there's a picture of the bell, which means you're adjusting the bell, or the ringer. And in the next one, when you're on speaker, and you adjust the volume, you'll notice the little speaker icon appears. If your phone's equipped, you'll also have a button for a headset as well. And when you're on headset, adjusting the volume, once again, it changes to a headset. Looks like a headphone, actually. So that's how that works. On this phone, it's pretty much the same thing. If we adjust the volume level, we see the ringer, speaker, same thing, headset as well. To place a call, all you need to do for an inside extension is dial the 3-digit extension number, 203, for example. To place an outside call, you must dial 9 first, although some systems may have programmed 8 or another number. So let's press 9, 1, 4, 1, 4, and the number, and you're making an outside call. It's also possible that you may dial just the 7-digit number to dial out. So you would do a 9, 555, 1212 for a local call. And that depends if your carrier or your phone company is set up that way and your administrator has set up your phone system to match that. Now just a note again on using the hold button. The hold button is used for when you're using the phone yourself. How that works is, once again, when you make a call, if you want to put the person on hold and you're just going to go about your office and you're going to come back a little bit later, they pick up the call and then you can place them on hold. You can go back to the call by hitting the line key, the appearance key. Now remember, we call these appearance keys for that they originally called in on. If you wanted to make a second call, you don't have to use the hold button. You can go directly to your second line appearance key, called B, and make your second call. To get back to the first one, go back there. But if you're just using one call, you can still do it. Press hold that way, and then your second line key is connected and you can make your second call. So there's two different ways to use the hold, either auto hold or actually pressing the hold key. It is your choice.